This is another example of the CN expecting a different input than what you actually give it. So over here we look at what can happen when a float is entered instead of an integer variable. Over here the CN expects a whole number, an int number, but if you enter a number with a fraction like 22.2, then you get a different output. That 0.2 is going to be assigned to the second variable. Now if that happens to be a float, then it will take 0.2. If it expects a string, then you would actually get something like an empty string. So again, the most important thing is make sure that the expected input matches the actual input. Over here I'm going to run it the correct way first, input a whole number 12 and with decimals 12.2, and you see that I get the correct output. If I'm going to enter 12.2 over here for the first one, then I get over here I entered 12 and 0.2, and of course over here we have the instruction enter a whole number, and I enter something that's not a whole number. Now imagine that your user instruction is not correct. Enter a second number. So here we have no idea what type of number to input. I'll do 12.2 again, and it doesn't even give the opportunity to enter that second number. So make sure that you use the proper data types, but also that the instruction for the user is going to be clear and unambiguous.